Yes.
Glockenselat.
Lasso. Tigulerwa.
Lasso.
Chadini
Glockenselat.
kaparduk. Chadini kaparduk.
Jadini kamgi nangladuk.
That's it. Chadini gamki nangladuk. That's it. Payabo. Oh yeah. Yagula song. Tene makla in the makla. Makla. Nyuku dini kaparduk. Nyuku dini or pen dini. Nyuku dini kaparduk.
Nyukudi,
Mhm.
that sorry, the box underneath. What is the name?
Gum, gum.
Um.
Gum is the box, Riba. Right now I'm asking Nyuku dini kaparduk. Where is the pen? Hmm?
Nyukudini,
Mhm.
uh, gamla, kang, kangladuk.
Gam ki gangladuk. Yangger sungtang.
Yeah, gamki kamladuk.
That's it. Gam ki gangladuk. That's it. Very good. Then we know Pukudi yakki gangladuk. Like this. Agosunga. Okay? Then we know Kidi kaparduk. Kidi kangpe chilokla duk. Just like this. Okay? We only say duk duk because it's not your general knowledge, not my general knowledge. And we are direct experiencing it. That's why we are saying duk. Agosunga. When it's general knowledge, then you say yure. Okay? Hmm? Instead of duk, you say yure. For example, nge chokpo Europe la yure. Just like this. Agosma. Okay? Hmm? Or Donald Trump Ari la. Ari America re. Donald Trump Ari la yure. Like this. Okay? For yourself, I can say nga Pela yu or nga Kathmandu la yu or nga Jakar la yu. Like this. Reba. Agosunga. Okay? Yeah, and Claire la inda. If I ask you, Kerang kapar yu,
Yeah, yeah, England la. Larry, sorry, England la Yuri.
that's it. England la yure or yu. You can say also yu. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this. Very good. Younger inda. Younger. And Claire
Yeah,
la Kerang kapar yu.
yeah, England la Yuri.
Ale, lasso, lasso, nga Kathmandu la yu. Lasso. Like this. Okay? Very good. Tujiche. Lasso. That's it. Yeah, Makla in the Makla. Makla. Hello, Makla. Kerang kapar yu.
Nga America la yure.
That's it. Yeah. Ale, lasso, lasso. Like this. Okay? The question is Kerang kapar yu. Like this. Then I would say nga pela yu or jagar la yu or Pelyul la yu or Europe la yu. Like this. Okay? Like this. There.
If we're using construction of duk, that means like maybe we're with them and we see them in that country, right? In the moment. Is that what it means? Instead of just knowing.
For example, you want to give me an example?
Let's say you're talking on the phone and your friend says, okay, where's your other friend? And you say, I don't know how to say it, but I'm just looking at him right here in New York.
Yeah, yeah. But is it general knowledge or not general knowledge?
It's not general knowledge. Or it's both.
Oh, if it cannot be both. Okay. It cannot be not general knowledge or general knowledge. It's
No, both direct perception and general knowledge.
then yure.
Okay.
Mhm. You say only duk when it's not general knowledge, like this. Oh, that's why I always say, oh, like this. Okay? That's okay. How goes on? Okay? Like this. Very good. Okay. So here, for existence, we use ye, yure, duk. Okay? These three. Ye. Nga Kathmandu la ye. Mark America la yure. Like this. Okay? Then duk. If Mark is in North Korea and I saw it, then I will say, oh, Mark, North Korea la duk. Like this. Okay? Like this. If I see Kim Jong-un in Kathmandu, then I would say, oh, Kim Jong-un, Kathmandu la duk. Like this. Okay? That's when you say duk. Agosuma. Okay? Just like that. Very good. Oh yeah. Agosuma. Yure, duk. We know a little bit. Now we have to practice. Okay? Then negative. Me, ye mare, me duk. Like this. Ye or me. For example, nga Europe la me. Nga Kathmandu la ye. Like this. You can practice this, okay? You can say nga Kathmandu la me, nga Europe la ye, or anything. You can practice this. Agosuma. Then, for example, about your friend, nge chokpo Hamburg la yure, nge chokpo North Korea la ye mare. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? Nge chokpo Hamburg la yure, nge chokpo North Korea la ye mare. Like this. Or nge chokpo Sogyul la yure, nge chokpo Pelyul la ye mare. Like this. Agosuma. Now here, duk. Oh, Kong Kathmandu la duk. Like this. Is someone you know, Kong, third person. Oh, Kong Kathmandu la duk. Like this. Then Minduk is the negative. Agosuma. If you know someone is always in the Kathmandu, then you went and he's not there. Oh, Kong Kathmandu la Minduk. Like this. Agosuma. That's it. You have this. Oh, like this. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Now we have a little idea of what is this existence. Agosuma. Okay? These are not same as Re, Yin. Not same as those ones. Those are for identifying. Agosuma. Okay? Nga tenzin yin, nga tenzin re, kong mark re, kong gegen re, kong scientist re, like this. Kong rinpoche re, like this. Agosuma. Those are different. Those are for identification. And those sentence ends in yin, re, and reduk. If it's O thing, then you say reduk. Agosuma. Like this. You thought he is Mark, but when you go near, it's Yenhung. Then you say, oh, Yanhong Reduk. Like this. That's when you say Reduk. Okay? That's identification. Hagosuma, the identification ray. The identification mare. The existence ray. Hagosuma. Like this. Okay? I can see that some of our students mix between this existence and identification. So that's why I have to say this again and again. Okay? Those who already know, bear with me. That's it. Plus. Okay. That's it. That's it. Okay. Now I have here mix up identification and both. Okay. Then we have some little new word. Hagosuma. We will learn this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And Claire Lainda. Let's practice reading. Hagosuma. Below down.
Pardi Chelok Re. Is it Chelok?
Mare.
Chelok.
Mare. Par
Di.
so. Par di so.
Parditso. Parditso. Ka.
Take your
Sorry.
time. No problem.
Yeah. Kalere. Kalakre.
That's it.
Parditso. Kalakre.
That's it. You know how to read it. Take your time slowly. No problem. Okay? That's it. Par ditso khalakre. Par ditso. Ditso. Many picture here. Hagosuma. Par ditso. Karire khalakre. Khalak. Hagosuma. Pizza.
Hagosum.
Momo.
Kalak.
Khalakre. Pizza. Khalakre. Pasta. Khalak. Hagosuma. Sha. Khalakre. Like this. Hagosuma. Okay?
Hagosum.
Parditso khalakre. That's it. Fail. Any? Dilotang. Enkrela. Kale kaleloa. Slowly. No problem.
Okay. So peu 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 Pepe
That's it. Pepe.
Pepe Kalakre.
That's it. Pepe khalakre. Now you know what is this, right? Tibetans khalakre. Pepe khalakre. Right?
Yeah.
France ki khalak cheese tang. Tendare. Pakle tang cheese. Riba.
Yeah.
Riba.
Nasu.
Italy ki khalak pizza re. That's it. Pasta re. Lasagna. Like this. Hagosuma. Peago. Tujiche.
Hagosum.
Like this. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Kalak. Okay.
Dixon. Enkrela Dixon. Tujiche. Hagosuma.
Kalakdi. Kaladi Mokmokre.
That's it. Kalakdi
Mokmok.
Now can you make your own sentence other than mokmok? Can you say something else?
Okay. Kalakdi Chura Re.
That's it. One more.
Kalag, kalagre, re.
Kalagdi Marre. That's it. That's it.
Okay, sha, re.
That's it. Kalagdi Shah Re. That's it. That's it.
Okay,
Tujiche. Thank you. Hola.
also.
So, yeah, that any Marcelo la in the Dilotang.
Muk muk gorgore.
Gorgor. We have new word here. Gorgor, something round. Hagosuma.
Something
Round.
wrong.
Oh, Hagosuma. Just like a dumpling shape. Little bit round. Hagosuma. Gorgor. Like this. Hagosuma. Mok gorgor re. Or you can say Tenzin ki go gorgor re. Like this. Tenzin ki go gorgor re. As you can see, yen hong ki go gorgor re duk. Like this. Hagosuma. Gorgor. Hagosuma. That's it. Oh yeah, mok gorgor re. Peago. So, yeah, makla in the makla dilotha.
Mokmoki Nangla Asha Yure.
That's it. Mokmoki nangla sha yure. Like this.
Moki.
Mokmoki nangla sha yure. Like this. Agosuma mokmoki nangla sha yure. Can you make this sha into something else? Yeah. Makla in the.
Momoki Nangla Celery.
Cell
Is it
re.
vegetable?
Yes, cell is vegetable, but end of the
Cell.
sentence is not right.
Yure.
That's it. When you say cell ray, it's totally doesn't make sense. Hagosuma. Okay? Like this. Momoki nangla cell yure. Cell vegetable ray. Cha la cell. Hagosuma. Oh yeah. Cha la cell vegetable. That's it. Momoki nangla cell yure. Momoki nangla churra yure. Like this. Momoki nangla churra yure. Just like that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yen hong la in the Dilotang.
뭐뭐 신, 뭐뭐 신보유래.
Momo shimpu yure. If it's general knowledge. Shimpu yure. That's what.
신보유래.
Agosuma.
하고서
Ete the general knowledge mean na ni khandalabi.
뭐뭐 신보뚝.
That's it. That's it. Agosuma. Oh, momo di shimpu duk. Like this. General knowledge ina momo shimpu yure. Just like that. Agosuma. Pay agosuma sung yen hong la. Tujiche. Very good. Yeah, tene Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala Dilota.
I think it's like a song. Can you show me the first line, please?
I
Which-
try to say from the start.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Parditso kalare,
Uh-huh.
pöpi kala, kala di, momore,
Yeah.
momo gorgore,
Hmm.
momo ginanla, shashimpoyore,
Yeah.
momo pe, momo penye poyore.
Uh-huh.
When I read, I think it's like a song. Parditso kala. No, I feel like a rhythm from the beginning, but now lost it. Sorry.
Uh-huh. No problem. You are doing it very well. Uh, It's not like a song. I think it's okay. Yeah. Tadine lo, tene. Momo ki nangla sha yuri. That's it. If you just did Momo ki nangla sha yuri, that's not a way of reading. That's not real. You can do that up down.
My case was Momoki Nanla Shashimpoyore
That's it.
because of song. Momoki Nanla Shashimpoyore.
That's it. Shashimpo yuri. That's it.
Shashimpoyore.
Mhm.
Yes.
Tigidu. Shashimpo yuris. Tigidu. Okay. Tene?
Momo Penye Poyore.
Tigidu. Tadilo.
Kalaji Mare.
Yeah.
Di Wachugi Mare.
Di pachuki marre.
Pachugi Mare. Marpe Shimpoyore. Oh, I feel it right.
That's
Tokpo La Mario.
Drogpa la Mario.
Tokpo La Mario.
Drogpa mare. Drogpa.
Tokpa La Mario.
That's it. Drogpa la Mario re.
Tokpa La Mario. Kaladi Paklep Re.
That's it.
Paklep Gorgor Dang. Leplep Re.
Leblep.
Paklep Shimpoyo. Leplep Dang. Leplep Re.
Paglep
Leplep
go.
Re.
Leblep re.
Paklep
Agosunga.
Gorgor Dang. Paklep Re. Leplep Re. Paklep Shimpoyore.
That's it.
Kaladi Churare. Rai Churare.
Rai chura.
Rai Churare. Chura Karpore. This is the song. Chura Shimpoyore. This is the song. Chura Karpore. Chura Shimpoyore.
That's it. So we are reading, practicing. Agosunga. Okay? Like this. Tujiche nimala. Tujiche.
Jinam.
Oh yeah. Tadine darala inda. Darala.
Yeah.
Yeah, darala di inda.
Hold on.
Mm.
Mukpala Mar Yure.
That's it. Drogpa mar yure. That's it. Okay? Drogpa mar yure. Donald Trump private jet yure. Like this. Agosuma. Thailand Langchen yure. Langchen, elephant. Like this. Okay? In English,
Yes.
it would be Drogpa has mar. Thailand has elephant. Like
Yeah.
this. Agosuma.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Like this. Okay? But in Tibetan language, it says the elephant is in Thailand. The private jet is with Donald Trump. It's not saying he owns it. It simply shows where it is. Agosuma. But commonly translated as Drogba has mar. Like this. Drogba la mar yure. Agosuma. Okay? Hmm?
Yeah.
Like this. From this sentence, you can say many different things. Instead of Drogba, Darala, you can say something about Thailand. Thailand la.
Thailand là lăng trên euro.
That's it.
Thailand là Thailand là Pad Thai euro.
Pad Thai yure. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? Pewa. Pewa. That's all. Adine, yeah. Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala, talent la yak yurepe.
Thailand là yak you my yak me
Or yumare.
you mare.
Both are right. Younger in the talent la yak yurepe.
Thailand là yak you mare.
That's it. Talent la langchen yurepe.
Thailand là langshin mangpo yuri.
That's it. Talent la langchen mangpo yurepe. That's it. Pewa. Oh, Wangmola in the Wangmola. Wangmola, Dashidele. Kerang Kanei, Wangmola.
Hong Kong này in
Hong Kong la yak yurepe.
Hong Kong là yak mare
Younger in the Hong Kong la yak yurepe.
Hong Kong là yak yu mare
That's it. Yumare. Ni Hong Kong la langchen yurepe.
Hong Kong là lăng chen yu mare
Ale. Hong Kong la shimi yurepe.
Hong Kong là simi yu yure
Hong Kong la shimi mangpo yurepe.
Hong Kong là simi mangbo yure
That's it. That's it.
That's it.
Tujiche.
Pencil là what is mangpo?
Many. Mangpo labna many.
Many.
Agosuma. Okay. Tujiche. Last. Tene Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la. Brazil la Drogba yurepe.
Brasil là Drogba yumare.
Brazil la
Drogba là
Drogba yurepe. Younger sunga.
Brasil là Drogba yumare.
Brazil la cowboy yurepe.
Brasil là cowboy yure.
Ale. Last. Tujiche. Nicolela inda. Nicolela Tashidele. Nicolela. Sogyula Drogba yurepe.
Segula Drogba yore.
Pe mangpo yurepe.
Pemangpo. Segula Drogba Pemangpo yore.
Ale. Last. Ani Sogyula yak yang mangpo yurepe.
Segula yak mangpo yore.
Ale. Last. Ale. Tujiche. Nicolela. Magla inda. Magla. New York la yak yurepe.
New York la yak yumare.
Ale. New York la cowboy yurepe.
New York la cowboy yure.
Ale. Last. New York la pepa yurepe. Pepa Tibetan. Pepa.
New York la
Europe.
Bupa Yire. New York la.
Engar Suntan.
New York la Bupa Yire.
That's it. New York la Pepa Yuri. Payable. That's it. Payable. Okay. Now we have here Paklep Gorgor Thang Leplep Re. Leplep Hagosuma. Something flat. Shape. Gorgor round. Ruba Hagosuma. Leplep Hagosuma. Oh yeah. For example, Paklep Hagosuma. Pepe Paklep. Pepe bread, leblep tang, gorgor re. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Okay. De. Drokpa la chura thang mar yure. Like this. Drokpa la churra. Churra re. Rachid. Drokpa la churra thang mar yure. Agosuma. Okay?
Bupa Ikarire.
Drokpa di yak boy re.
Okay.
No ment. Hagosuma. Oh yeah. Drokpa la chura thang mar yure. Like this. Hagosuma. Okay, today we will learn one new question. Kerang la tep yupe. Like this. Hagosuma. You can write this down. Hagosuma. Kerang la tep yupe. Like this. Then my answer will be nga la tep mangpo yu. Like this. Hagosuma. Kerang la tep yupe. Kerang la nyuku yupe. Kerang la shimi yupe. Kerang la chi yupe. Like this. Hagosuma. We can change this tap into any other material thing. Hagosuma. We can ask that. Kerang la tap yupe. Like this. Then you can say, oh, nga la tap mangpo yu. Like this. Then you can say, kerang la kangkor yupe. Kangkor. We know this. Kangkor. Bicycle. Ruba. Kangpa. Korlo. Kangkor. Kerang la kangkor yupe. Yu. Nga la kangkor yu. Nga la kangkor ni yu. Or nga la kangkor chik yu. Like this. Hagosuma. If you have many, you can say mangpo yu. Hagosuma. Then you can change the subject. Kong la tep yu repe. Like this. Kong la tep yu repe. You can say Kong la tep yu re. Like this. Or he doesn't have it. Kong la tep yu mare. Like this. Hagosuma. Okay. Then you can change Kong into any place name. For example, Brazil la. That's it. Instead of Kong la. Brazil la. Yak yurepe. Like this. Brazil la yak Europe. Like this. How goes on? Then you can say Yemare. Brazil la yak Yemare. Like this. Now you can change Brazil to anything. England la. Hong Kong la. Thailand la. Thailand la Langchen Europe. Then you say Yure. Thailand la Langchen Mangpo Yure. Like this. Okay. For yourself, you say Ngala Thep Mangpo Yu. Thailand la Langchen Mangpo Yure. Brazil la Yak Yu Mare. Yeah, Yen Hong la Keranki Dilo. Can you ask this question to Marcelo?
마셀로 케랑 라 탭 유베 케랑 라 탭 유베
Nalatep Mampo Yu.
That's it. Ngala Thep Mangpo.
Yen Hong.
If you don't have it, then how would you say?
Nalatep Mampo Yumare.
That's it.
Oh, Min. Me.
Me. Ngala Thep Mangpo.
Me.
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 Okay. Very good.
Tenzin, in this question, the question was asked that is the book, right? Is the book yours? Okay. So the reply is many books. So how do you know many books?
No, the question is Kerang la Thep Yupe. Do you have book?
Yeah, that it says the book, only the book, right?
Yes.
So then the reply is many. I have saying negative. So why do you still have to say mang?
That's you are very right. If you don't have any book, you can say Ngala Thep Me. Right. Very good. I don't have book Ngala Thep Me. Or if you don't have many book, you can say Ngala Thep Mangpo Me. That's it.
Mangpo Me, yeah. Okay. Correct.
Okay. Very good. Yeah.
And Tenzin is replacement for, or is the negative for Yure?
Yes, negative for you.
For you.
Yure is
Okay.
Yemare here, negative. For Yure, Yemare. Okay?
And what's the difference between Yu and Yure?
Not much different. Yu is more written form. Yure is more spoken form. That's the only difference. Usage is same.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. Just like naming, okay, this will confuse you more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, ta inda. Nyurmala inda, Nyurmala. Nyurmala ki, yeah. Instead of this, you say Sogyul. Sogyul la yak yuripe lava. Tene Nimala ki lenjabin.
Himala Sokyul la Yakyerebe.
Nurmala Yomare, Sogyulla Yak Yomare.
That's it. Yure or Yumare. That's it.
Toksam Yore.
독점 유래. Anything. 그봐. 배워. 유래 or 유말에 독점 유래 or 망보 유래. Like this. 하고서마. Okay? 배하고 두지치. That's it. Yeah, then one more line. One more line. One more line. 계란기 족보라 깡콜 유를 빼.
nghe nghe chụp bó là con khô dễ mà đấy.
That's it. 계란기 족보라 모터 유를 빼. 모터 car.
nghe chụp bó là một trái dễ đấy.
That's it. nghe 족보라 모터 유를 빼. That's it. Yeah, Magla in the Magla. Magla. Donald Trump la private jet yuere pe.
Donald Trump la private jet yuri.
That's it, yuere. That's it. Agosunga, okay? Oh yeah, pe agosung song. Donald Trump la lama yuere pe.
Lama?
Lama or the correct. You can say lama who show you the way. Donald Trump la lama yuere pe.
Donald Trump la lama yomare.
That's it. Like this. Like this, pair.
He wants to be the Pope now.
Donald Trump tang Pope chokpo repe. Like this. How goes on? Tarala in the Tarala. Tarala. Rashidale. Tarala Kerang la private jet you pay.
Nga la private jet.
Mala
private jet. Yo Mare.
That's it. Yo Mare.
Yo Mare or
May. That's it.
Oh, Yo May.
That's it. Not you may, just may. Agosuma. Okay.
Yeah, Yo May.
Just may or you mare like this.
Mala private jet.
May like this. Agosuma. Okay.
Oh, Mangpo is many, right?
Mangpo many.
Mangpo is many. Is one word. Mangpo. Okay.
That's it. Mangpo.
Mangpo is many.
That's it. That's it. For example, yes. In
the earlier sentences, if you go up a little bit, there was I got stuck there. Salak di pak lepre. Salak di pak, right? What is pak?
Mare, pakleb is a bread, Tibetan bread. You know, Fred.
Pakleb is one word, pakleb. Okay,
yes.
Bread. But leb is flat, right?
Yes.
Okay, so pakleb is bread.
Yes.
Okay. So that's a new word, pakleb. Okay, so that's what I heard. What is pak? I couldn't figure out what is pak. Thank you.
No problem. Pakleb, hagosuma. Like this. So now,
Benzila,
Lasso.
Nala driva chigyo, Cura labna karare.
Chura labna cheese.
Lasso toshe.
Chura. Lasso. That's it. Dela karilabduk drokpa la chura tang mar yure. That's it. Drokpa la chura tang mar Mangpo yere, mangpo. Rồi.
Tiên sinh là
Là số.
carpo 카레레.
Oh,
Nên
pe. Chura carpore, carpo. Di carpore, di carpore. This color is carpo. This background is carpo. Agosuma. Nieso carpo mare, serpore, like this.
Ako masong.
Nieso carpo
Nieso,
mare, carpo
Carpo
mare.
mare. Okay.
Serpo, serpo is golden.
Yeah, set is golden, yes. So, Shura,
Niesa de. Niesa carpo mare. Serpo, serpo, yellow. Agosuma.
therefore, but the set is golden, right? The set is golden, no? We don't want to lose the identity of gold, okay?
It will be your homework, Darla.
Okay.
Here are some colors, okay? Carpo here, carpo, serpo, yellow.
But here does it means what? Shura,
Chura, carpore.
Carpore, meaning what?
The Tibetan chura are dried chura, so they are white in color usually. But in the West, they make cheese. It's like a yellow color.
Different colors, yeah, different color. Depends on what cheese you are taking. Okay.
That's it.
Chura, copper.
But in Tibet, it's carpo. That's why they say chura carpo.
Okay. So that's the exclusive for Tibetan, no?
Really? That's we dry chura because we have to go on the mountain for many days.
Yes.
So dry
yes,
food
I know.
Yes.
Yeah. I know. Yes, I know. Yeah.
That's
You say.
That's it. How goes on? Okay. Oh yeah.
Can I just ask a question? Why do you say la after the name, after ngala? Because it's not a direction, is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
in English it's not direction, but in Tibetan it's direction, okay? I must say
Okay.
it will confuse you. In English, it makes you feel like you have something. But in Tibetan, it simply says it is with you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you explained before. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
It's like location, sort
Yes.
of in my location, kind of.
That's it. Location.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's okay.
Agoso.
That's it. But if you say location, maybe it will confuse you. But first learn like this. Like this. But in Tibetan language, it's simply location. Okay? Just like that. Ngala tep you. Like this. Doesn't mean I own this. In Tibetan. Language. That's it. Now we have learned some ways to ask question. Kerang la tep yupe, kerang la nyuku yupe, kerang la trokpo yupe. Do you have friend? Kerang la puku yupe. Do you have kid? Kerang la chocho yupe, brother. Kerang la achak yupe, sister achak. Kerang la achak yupe. That's it. Kerang la shimi yupe, kerang la ki yupe. Kerang la kangpa yupe, like this. Or kerang la kur yupe, tent. Like this. Then your answer will be ngala, ngala, ngala. Like this. Ngala tep yu, ngala nyuku yu, ngala shimi me, ngala ki yu. Like this. Ngala achak yu. Ngala chocho me. Like this. Hagosuma. Ngala kushu yu. Hagosuma. Like this. Ngala kapar yu. Like this. Hagosuma. Ngala kapar yu. Ngala tep yu. Ngala tep ni yu. Like this. Okay. Oh, yeah. Like this. Now you can say ngala da 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 yu, ngala da 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 yu, ngala da 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 yu. If you don't have ngala da 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 me, hagosuma. Like this. Okay. Then you can change the direction. Kongla tep yu repe. Like this. Kongla tep yu repe. Kongla private jet yu repe. Kongla puku yu repe. Kongla tep yu repe. Kongla rinpoche yu repe. Kongla lama yu repe. Kongla kangpa yu repe. Kongla gegen yu repe. Like this. How goes on? Then you can say Kongla tep yure, Kongla private jet yumare, Kongla tropo yure.
But you use that construction when you ask if someone is a lama or if someone's a Rinpoche?
Well, what do you mean?
So if I say, Kawa Rinpoche La, Lama Yure, Lama Yure, say like that, like, oh, is His Holiness Dalai Lama a lama?
No, you can say Kong to everyone. It doesn't matter. So Kong to anyone, you can say. Whether it's a huge lama, whether it's a beggar, you can say Kong. It has no gender. It is respectful also. If you say Ko, Mo, or Way, like this, then it's disrespect a little bit. If you don't like it.
My question is, when we use, you asked me, is Donald Trump a lama or something like that, right?
Yeah, Donald Trump has lama. Like
has a, not is a.
No, because is identifying. Right now we are talking about existence. Does he have it? Does it exist with him or not?
I see.
Like this.
Okay.
If Donald Trump is lama or not, that question will comes in Donald Trump lama repe. There is no la there. Okay? Like, that's it. Now you can say Kong to any third person, no gender, nothing. It's transcendental. Oh yeah. You can say to anyone, it's respectful. Kongla. Like this. Like this. Oh yeah. Then you can say Kongla tep yurepe. Like this. Kongla yak yurepe. Like this. Okay? Then you can change the Kong subject to any place. Brazil la yak yurepe. Just like that. Very easy. Oh yeah. That's it. Yeah, I think Makla, you need to see this one and write it down. Here. Yin, Re, Redu is only for identification.
Yes.
That's it.
I think I wrote that down.
Hmm.
Yin.
Practice it. When I'm using existence here, most of the sentence has la in the existence. When you want to say where it exists. Okay? Till now, we learned location in the English. Gang la duk, ok la duk, chilok la duk, nang la duk, Brazil la duk, Europe la duk, or Europe la yure, like this. But now we are also considering subject as a people as a location also. But in English, there will be not a location. It says, I have a book. He has a book. Brazil has book. Like this. Akosuma. But in Tibetan, it is location. Akosuma. Okay? So we need to practice this. We will practice again also. In the next lesson, I will create a conversation. We will practice reading it, question, answer, go turn by turn. Akosuma. We need to practice it well before I start something new. Akosuma. Okay? So I also suggest you to do little homework. Not too many. It's not good. Little homework, okay? Reading practice also. Akosuma, now that we can speak, you have to read and connect that sound with the shape of the letter. Then it's very good. Akosuma. Like this. Okay? Oh yeah. Then that's it for today. Tujiche, thank you for waiting.
Thank you.
Tenzin La,
Thank you.
不借借电竞啦。
Yes.
Tenzin La, are you going to link? You put the link, right? All these questions in the chat.
Yes, I will. This one.
Thank you.
Tujiche.
Tujite Tenzin La.
Tujiche.
Tenzin La.
Dinjak Nango.
Tujiche.
Dava Jemala Jalyong.
That's it. Sadawala Jayong. Tujiche. That's
Dinjak Nango.
fair. Tujiche. Any practice share. Lasso. Any bye bye.
Bye bye.
Lasso.